Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare configurations. In my graphic area, I've got a simple extrude. Let's add another configuration. Go to the Configuration Manager, right-click on Configurations, select Add Configuration. Let's give it a unique name. I'll call it Config02, and click Accept. Go back to our default configuration. Let's make some changes to Sketch 1. I'm going to change this dimension to 50. If I click the arrow at the end of the panel, I can select to which configuration I want to apply that dimension change. Let's click OK, and OK again, and Update. So now we've got two different configurations. Before we compare, let's save our work. Now let's go to Tools, Compare, Features. Select my parts, A. Here the default configuration will be selected. To select configuration 2 of the same part for comparison, we've got to browse. Select the part and go to the Configurations drop-down menu and choose the configuration you want to compare. Let's click Open. We're ready to run the comparison. And here's the results. The boss extrude is shown to be modified. This concludes our video about comparing configurations. In our next video, we're going to move on to comparing geometry.